One, map a service blueprint. So pick a simple service like food delivery, pharmacy pickup, laundry drop off, and create a service blueprint showing user actions across front stage and backstage actions. So, what users are doing as they interact with the front stage, and then how the front stage or how information or exchanges flow through front stage to backstage and how things are processed. So, um, using cafe for an example, you may go up to the cash register as a user action. You may order your drink, they may take payment, and then you step aside while on the backstage they produce your coffee and food, and then back at the front stage they hand your food over to you, confirm the order, and you go on your way and consume that food. Maybe there's a point in the future where you provide feedback through a digital touch point, and then in the back end they process that feedback into possible customer support actions or just improvements to the business. And those could actually be two separate flows. Um, but just think about how people are interacting with other people, physical experiences, physical products, and digital products uh, in order to sort of achieve that thing they want to achieve. And potentially, when you're done, you look at it from both directions. Say, if I was a company, what would this look like to me? If I was a user, what would this look like to me? Almost the basics of negotiation. I understand both people's needs. How do I produce something, a meaningful exchange between the two here? Could be a fun thought experiment to have in this moment. Provided a link to service blueprints on IXDF, a really great resource. It'd be good to read through this the first time and then give the service blueprint a shot if you've never done one before, and then go back and read through it again after you've sort of struggled through that to see if it changes your perspective on doing service blueprints. But really great thing to do, great exercise to use in service design, both in a direct method or a direct application and sometimes an indirect application, because you'll start to see everything as a service. Even, you as a designer, user researcher, providing a service to developers or stakeholders, you could potentially map that out as a service blueprint and think about how to improve it. But it does very much explore how we connect with each other in achieving things together. Lots of fun. Looking forward to seeing everyone's output to this.